In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a Claude AI subscription. If you want to give someone access to Claude's premium features, I will walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you feel confident at checkout. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude gifting portal at claude.ai/gift. If you are already logged in, you can also get there by clicking your profile initials in the lower left corner of the Claude app and selecting Gift Claude. Both paths bring you to the same place before you proceed. A quick eligibility note. You need a paid personal plan on your own account to purchase gift plans. Free tier accounts as well as members using team or enterprise organizations can't buy gifts. If that applies to you, upgrade to a paid plan on your individual account first, then return to the gifting page. On the gifting screen, choose the plan you want to send. Pro is the standard premium experience. Max 5x and Max 20x are designed for high-volume power users who need more capacity. Pick the option that best matches how the recipient is likely to use Claude. Next, select a prepaid duration, 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Think about how long you want the gift to last and what fits your budget. You'll then personalize the digital card by choosing a color and adding an optional message. Keep it short and clear. This is what the recipient will see when they redeem. Now choose how the gift will be delivered. Select email to enter the recipient's name and email address for automated delivery. This is great if you want Claude to send it directly. Or choose shareable link to generate a direct redemption link you can copy and share yourself by chat, email, or even print it on a physical card. If you are worried about typos or timing a surprise, the shareable link gives you full control over when and how you send it. When everything looks good, click Checkout. Enter your billing details carefully. Review the summary and complete your payment. Once the payment is confirmed, your gift is ready. If you chose email, the recipient will receive instructions to redeem. If you chose shareable link, copy the link and send it whenever you are ready. And that's it. Happy gifting and thanks for watching.